Uh, Happy New Year today, 13th of April 2020. In Thailand, we say date before month and in the year. So it's a quiet Songkran festival. Today we'll come with the idea because usually every years, for New Year's in Thailand, we make a holy dish. And the holy dish we're going to make today is called lab hmo. So we're gonna make pork spicy minced pork, the northern style. So before we make that, we have to get the ingredient. So I have Tao, my help. Tao will help me to get the galangal, lemongrass, mint, Vietnamese mint, and sawtooth coriander from our garden. Everything here you see is organic. First, we're gonna get fresh galangal. Let's see how we get them. So we're gonna dig them into the, in the soil because the root it grow underneath the soil. You ready? If you're ready, follow us. Come here. This is a galangal Thai ginger. You see the leaf look like a bird paradise. The roots underneath. So Pito gonna get the root. See like that? I love the smell. Can I smell? Oh my god, smells so good. So when we need it, we're gonna cut this off. We're gonna need only the big on root. So we cut the green stem. We don't need that. We need the big on root, the white part. แต่เราตัดออกเลยพี่เต๋อ Fresh galangal. Fresh ingredient are always the best. Today we make lab's gonna be delicious and wonderful. See? That's how we get it. So Peter, you show it to the camera. Okay, click on the look. Yeah, see that? Nice and clean. And then we're gonna clean it. We're gonna use the brush to brush and remove all the dirt. Right? Alright, so we got it. Now the next one, we have a lemongrass behind. We're gonna get lemongrass. I wish we have our class. See, because the mint is so beautiful right now. It's so fresh and will be perfect. So we can make a lot of menu like from the mints. Today we're gonna add in lab. We can also eat them fresh raw in lab. We can make salad. We add in salad, right? We have an idea. Last night I discussed with my husband. Well, this is a summer and it's very hot, and in Thailand, in our summer we had a lot of watermelon, in the market or everywhere. Very many garden they grow watermelon. We talk about making watermelon salad next. So when we make that, we're gonna share with you guys the recipe, and you can see the video. We're making that too,นะคะ. After we got the mint, the regular mint, this is, we call them Vietnamese mint or Vietnamese coriander. We add this also in lab, and we can also eat them raw. You see the leaf? See that nice? Yeah. This is the bird eye chili. ไปต่อวางตะกร้าเลยข้างหน้าท่านเก็บเลย เก็บเอาเม็ดเก๋ๆหอมขนาดแล้วเด้อ in Thai หอมแบบมัน smell good. We need sawtooth coriander. We have one more thing, sawtooth coriander. Here, sawtooth coriander. We're gonna pick sawtooth coriander leaf here. We need many. When we cut them, we'll pick the big one, the big leaf. See. I love jasmine flower. It smells good. Look how pretty basket and smell good with jasmine flower. Look at that. hot hot season it's like 40 40 Celsius today Woo, hot